On today's Try to Finish Something, I picked up, quite a while ago, a Rubies toy Star Wars blaster, an E11 blaster, to be exact, for the Stormtroopers. Do I have a Stormtrooper costume? No. Do I need an E11 blaster modified? Yeah. And that's what I'm going to do on today's Try to Finish Something. So today should be fairly quick and easy. I'm going to take this toy blaster that's a bit undersized to be screen accurate, so I'm not going to stress over the details. I'm going to Bondo fill some screw holes, do a bit of sanding, then paint and weather. Should be easy. After the first Bondo fill, my new Dremel arrived with the magic wand attachment. So I'm going to sand off some of the raised lettering and maybe spot fill a few more areas, then give it another coat of primer. But before that, I've got some sanding to do. And more sanding. And still more sanding. Here is where I made the critical mistake. I decided to pull up some reference photos, for painting. Oh, Star Wars blaster goodness. Ooh, I like that chrome silver on the side there. Maybe I'll do that. Oh, the power cells. I like those, and this blaster doesn't have those. The cells, it's 3 tubes, the curly wires. Ugh, crap. Rabbit hole, meat obsession. First, I'll drill out the holes, then I'll obsess over the details of the power cells. It looks like it has these 3 resistors. I'm going to shrink wrap some dowels to make those. Three tubes at the end. I'm going to use these cheap brushes. I'll curl up some electrical wire. Then I'll cut up some of my kids' Crayola markers. Hey, they won't mind. I mentioned I have a glow forge, and the training projects produce a lot of, some would say scraps. I call them greeblies. And I think with some styrene plastic, we should be able to pull off this power cell together. After the power cells and that, 3-tube part on the counter is attached, I'll give it another coat of primer. I'm going to use some aluminum duct tape for that chrome part on the side, buffed out with steel wool, then on to weathering. I'm going to apply an oil brown and oil black and some silver rub and buff with brushes, paper towels, and like every great kid's work of art, my fingers. Remember when I said I wouldn't stress over the details? Yeah. Oh well. Here is my undersized but slightly more accurate E11 blaster. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please tell a friend. If you didn't, keep it to yourself. Please like the video and type a comment below, and I'll see you next time.